Welcome to UK Learnings. After watch this video, please subscribe to our channel to give us your support. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get upcoming videos. Good luck for your exam.
What's the national speed limit for cars and motorcycles on a dual carriageway? A 70 miles per hour, B 15 miles per hour, C 30 miles per hour, D 60 miles per hour. The correct answer is A 70 miles per hour. Explanation: the speed limit on a dual carriageway or motorway is 70 miles per hour for cars and motorcycles, unless there are signs to indicate otherwise. If your car or motorcycle is towing a trailer, then a lower national speed limit applies. The speed limits for different types of vehicle are listed in the Highway Code. Where would you find a crawler lane on a motorway? A before a junction, B on an uphill gradient, C before a service area, D across an exposed bridge. The correct answer is B on an uphill gradient. Explanation: where a motorway has a steep uphill gradient, slow moving, large vehicles might get in the way of other traffic. An extra lane on the left may be provided for these slow-moving vehicles. It allows faster-moving traffic to flow more easily. You're driving on a motorway. What should you do if you start to feel tired? A. Leave by the next exit. B. Stop on the hard shoulder. C. Slow down until the feeling has passed. D. Keep going and move your arms and legs to help your circulation. The correct answer is A. Leave by the next exit. Explanation: if you're making a long journey, plan a rest stop of 15 minutes for every 2 hours of driving. Motorway driving can be very tiring, especially for new drivers, and if you feel tired you'll need to find somewhere safe to stop. However, you mustn't stop on a motorway, hard shoulder or slip road except in an emergency or traffic queue. To find a safe place to stop, you'll need to leave the motorway at the next exit or stop at the next motorway service area. What's the right-hand lane used for on a 3-lane motorway? A. Vehicles towing trailers, B. Coaches only, C. Overtaking, D. Emergency vehicles only. The correct answer is C. Overtaking. Explanation: you should keep to the left and only use the center or right-hand lanes if you're passing slower moving traffic. Why do motorcyclists often wear bright clothing? It keeps them cool in summer. B. Bright colors are very popular. C. They must do so by law. D. To make it easier for other road users to see them. The correct answer is D. To make it easier for other road users to see them. Explanation: motorcycles are small vehicles and can be difficult to see. If the rider wears bright clothing, it can make it easier for other road users to see them approaching, especially at junctions. What's the purpose of these road humps? A. To test vehicle suspension units. B. To prevent buses from using these roads. C. To slow traffic. D. To calibrate satellite navigation systems. The correct answer is C. To slow traffic. Explanation: road humps, chicanes and narrowings are all traffic calming measures designed to keep vehicle speeds low. They're used to protect vulnerable road users near areas such as housing estates and shopping centers. Where are vehicles most likely to be affected by a side wind? A. On a narrow country lane. B. On a long, straight road. C. On a busy stretch of road. D. On an exposed stretch of road. The correct answer is D. On an exposed stretch of road. Explanation: in windy conditions, care must be taken on open, exposed roads. A strong gust of wind can blow you off course. Watch out for other road users who may be worse affected. These include cyclists, motorcyclists, and drivers of high-sided lorries or vehicles towing trailers. Apart from routine maintenance, when should you check your engine's oil level? Early in the morning. B. Before a long journey. C. Before carrying a passenger. D. When the engine is hot. The correct answer is B. Before a long journey. Explanation: before setting out on a long journey, check the oil level, as an engine can use more oil on a long journey than on shorter trips. Insufficient oil can lead to excessive wear and engine damage. Why have red routes been introduced into major cities? A. To allow lorries to load more freely. B. To provide better parking. C. To raise the speed limits. D. To help the traffic flow. The correct answer is D. To help the traffic flow. Explanation: traffic signs and continuous red lines painted along the edge of the road identify a red route. Parking is banned along these routes and enforcement officers have powers to remove any vehicle that's illegally parked. These powers are in place to ensure the route remains unobstructed and so help the free flow of traffic. When should a vehicle's horn be used? A. To signal your annoyance. B. To greet other road users. C. To alert others to your presence. D. To allow you right of way. The correct answer is C. To alert others to your presence. Explanation: you mustn't use a vehicle's horn between 11:30 p.m. and 7:00 a.m. in a built-up area or when the vehicle is stationary, unless another moving vehicle poses a danger. The horn should be used to alert other road users to your presence.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe UK Learning's YouTube channel. Share with your friends and family. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get more videos. Your support will encourage us to make more videos. We wish you all the best for your exam.